Alright, so people, I don't know, say today is RunRoad V5 and COTB are fully active, and I don't know that already. So I'm try to see if we can catch some videos before we actually go to the venue. Just catch the overall vibe and just catch a little day in our life with it. So let's stay tuned.
Yo, guy. How you go?
Ready, you know?
Yo, active?
Active, man.
See you later, my phone. We connect up later.
Yeah, man, later.
Yo, cuz. You active?
So, Runroad?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. We active, man.
Like you didn't even wake up, cuz.
Didn't even wake up yet.
Alright, the bees active for later?
Yeah.
Believe no, me die, believe no. Later. Oh. Yeah, me just say what's the update, like everything good?
Yeah, bro. I was saying, I'm going to go to the venue now a little bit. I'm going to wait for the car to mush.
Oh, me just make sure everything are connect up. Me supposed to go for the barrier them are forward about 1 o'clock.
Man, I didn't run about the boy. I will be there. I will be able to take it. Okay, I'm green up, bro. I'm freaking on my road. You can't lift me on the road in the night. You know, so I'm glad that touch called me, bro. Come here and say, alright, you know. And this is to me, man. Listen, man. Yo, that's what I'm saying. Yeah, bro. I definitely the handbrake, though. Keep the truck under 50, my father. It feel like it's a try one break. This all in my reverse, it has stopped me. That's all it is.
But then what kind of truck you give guy, Alex?
What?
What kind of truck you give man, Alex?
Why? You don't know, you know. I'm coming in, I think we'll fuck you up, you know. I'm trying to bad year. No, I'm not lying, my name, member.
What style?
Looking at me, I know, man. Believe.
How else need to know?
Jet tour. Guys, only $7 million for a jet tour. Anyway,
That's crazy.
the cars need to come. That's what needs to be happening. I hear that the rain is falling. I am no weatherman, but
As you can see,
bright.
Rope. Bring it up.
No, a truck driver. I want to go for that over there, so. You fucking sitting there, we can't move.
Yo, a fourth gear that, you know.
Wait, what? Bro, look at that fucking truck this.
Bro, you know how much rubber that I got bird? I'm gonna draw the air. Ooh! Straight across the road, everybody must see me.
Hold on, watch it.
Go on.
Send it, Bean.
Hold on.
Rock it.
So people, what they are wait for the party to pack up. We done the preparations already. So all we really need to do are for the machines them pull up. You see me? Don't it, Josh?
Yeah, man.
Don't know. I want to right there, sir.
Jam cars.
Believe no, man. Believe no. But yeah, me I get ready. Me I go for my machine and yeah, man. I think we're supposed to link up with the rest of them and them, and then we're gonna cut cross in a venue same time. So see y'all then. Where it go? Where it go? Where it go? Where it go? Oh, this Daniel. What going to say? Good?
That's so cool, man. Jesus.
Bro. Bro, what I do? Bro, over there acting like that. Bro. Man himself. What are y'all up to, man? So why you never light up the Infinity? Why? Oh, go on.
No, we can't do too much one time, you know.
Now one now we're here now. Yeah. From 12 o'clock we're there, you know. From 12 o'clock we're there.
Yo, look how me I sweat. Bro, look how me I sweat.
The Infinity and the ISF. You think you're going to know an hour's time?
Easy.
Oh, that's really just reach here, so.
Bro,
And you put it over?
no, I start on the next side, and then how long it take me? It's been 20 minutes and we do one side, so the next side is the next one, and then it's just to run for roof, bonnet, rear of the car. Sorry, rear of the car, roof, bonnet. Done.
Alright, so peeps, as you can see, Joshua and them are just some light up thing. So me still not get ready yet. Me I gotta get ready now. And we'll forward probably around 7. They're going to go somewhere else. Hopefully police now get them much problem, but we'll see how it go. They might pull up regardless. And I think that's pretty much it. So yeah.
When you get them black badge,
Yeah, what take it so long?
when we drop the active. When we drop the fuck up.
Active. Guy.
Oh, hey.
Job car is active.
Active.
JP active. How old we for now, Black?
Yeah. How much is it?
Yeah, but this are the lineup. The X4. You see me? I have to give love to the Mazda still. Don't know, big up JP. We have the bad Finity. Bad Finity. Then we have a couple of G's with us as well. Brand new RS3. What is this? The S3.
You have the X4
Yeah, man.
machine them out tonight, alright?
So can you give a proper introduction to what type of vehicles we're bringing?
We're bringing a whole lot of German automotive engineering beauty beasts. And we're bringing a whole lot of
Rum.
rum. And we're bringing a whole lot of vibes and woman and money. Don't forget the money.
Don't forget the money, don't forget it. And the hear from Stevie himself, you know.
Right.
But we have the other S3, new S3, and the S3, the infamous.
Whole lot of threes. COTB special.
This is COTB special.
No fast driving. Watch.
Guys, remember to follow her.
Kia with
Kia
Kim.
with Kim, you see me? If you're not buying a Kia,
Come and buy a Kia.
right now.
Right now.
No,
Yeah.
like them fast.
I want a stinger.
No, I still want Kia, sorry. So you get to.
Come and buy a Sorrento.
Come
or
and buy a
EV5
Sorrento.
from Kim.
Yes.
Yeah.
Remember to link Kim
Kia
when you're
with
going for it.
Kim, right?
Okay, of
Yeah.
course.
Sponsored me.
Remember, JB, if I get this thing, I go to who?
Kim.
Bomba clat. Jeff, you bringing the bodies?
No, we can't. We don't care Sungar Beach.
I don't like your mentality. You have the wrong meds, bad man. And that's why the brownie now stop to get to eat that, brother. Move and go.
So, why keep black 8? I black a last month before, so what time him? Man said
8 minutes.
10 minutes. One more in black.
8
1
minutes.
hour I take over 2 minutes, so where will be dog reach?
20 minutes later.
We finally reached now. Alright, so that's all we know. Hi Kai.
Hi.
Turn right here, so I then go left and then just.
Up that road, there's a lever right there. You go like.
Alright, so everybody just reached, so we're head back over to the venue, you know, and see if we can make some noise. Is it? How you gone?
Bro. Is that black? One Jeffries! Ready, finally reach. Chop. Yeah, it is. Big up. There, man. Where two S3 them there? See them there? It's not normal, bro. Just believe me, man. Believe me, bro. Every run road always I got tough. I thought I was a tough for COTB forward. Believe me?
Where's COTB apart?
Park over here for now to remove these cars. Alright, not say a word. So, where you see the white? Alright. Alright. So finally reach now. What a pleasant surprise.
Yo.
Yeah, and that's Joshua.
Welcome, bro. Finally reached.
Finally.
Right now we're active, you see me, but right now we're inactive because we have to make sure to get active, you see me? So.
What done, man?
One done.
Alright, see there?
Alright, respect, man.
Alright, may I lead it in, don't worry about it. Lock.
Sorry.
Tell me now.
Next time.
No, but they are still, you know. Give me your iPhone. No, but more. No, but more. No, say me I go win. So just give me, make your 50 grand and give me the iPhone. I'm sell it back for
$2. So you don't believe. You don't believe so you can win.
No.
Then you're not gonna get it
Bro,
then if you don't believe.
Scamming, you know.
No, not this one.
You can't tell me that.
Oh God. Tokyo Drift!
back, you can't see the tail light.
You drive this every day?
No.
May I tell you this? So drive home safe here?
Yeah, man.
Believe me. Yeah, what we are doing?
That was a small scale.
A small scale?
A small scale.
Alright, a small scale. Make sure it's small. Small. Boulevard bully! Boulevard boss! Your time!
Wala palito, wala.
I have no idea.
There's somebody right off, alright?
I'm alive.
Expensive smoke!
Expensive smoke!
You can't do that.
You can't?
You can't do that.
X-ray?
You can't do that.
No, no,
Next time, can't do it.
Jano.
can pop.
Pop for me, my look good, pop for me, yeah, yeah.
Heard the beast now, heard the beast.
Dream life, by the G life. Even half post a picture when I need hype. Girl, I'm looking better from the knee high. When we used to broke, it never feel right. Man, I'm mob dog, I'm too social. DV, if you chat me, DV, tree vocal. No go bar up on a car.